Yeti Thunder 45. Two nice handles on the side right here. I put the part attachments. 4 non-slip rubber legs. There's handles right here, nice and comfortable. Okay, opens this way, and this is a 16-pound bag. Fits in there super nice and easy. I will leave it for a day, and I will check it after 24 hours to see how much ice it is. Here's how easy it is to open it with one hand, and there's another 16-pound bag. Very easy. Full bucket of ice. It's been almost 2 days now. Let's open it up. And wow, still a lot of ice in here. Now it's like solid 1 block. Holds the ice for very, very long time. Okay, let's dump some of that water out. This will unspin. Wow. Very nice. Holds the water a little well in there too. So, and then we have another couple days of ice. Easy. It will hold the ice better without the water. Tilt it a little bit, drain it. I'm happy with that. Very nice. Certified bear resistant. The Atomic Bear, prepared to survive. This is a pen. So first of all, very stylish. Very nice tight clip. It's a bolt action. That's what they call it. I love the design of that bolt action. Just push it down and slide up. Very easy. Okay. There's sharpened edges over here. Beautiful. Very comfortable too. For my big hands especially. I like that. Also there's like a rubber stopper with the bear logo on it. That comes off for window breaker. In case have to get out of the car, no problem. Pull this out, boom. Really nice sharp window breaker. How does this come off? Like this. Comes with a really nice refill P90M. Those are really nice fillers. Oh yeah, this is a nice refill or fill. Also worth mentioning, the end of the pen is tungsten carbide. Also it's actually high grade polymer body, and this side here a curve just to grip it this way so it doesn't slip, just sinks in there really well. So there you go, Atomic Bear EDC Pen. So this side here, flat ice packs. Okay, they look like they're filled with some kind of liquid, gel, whatever, that special formula to keep it cold really good. So it doesn't expand too much either. So let's go see how it fits my coolers. I have right here Yeti Thunder 45 and it fits in there really well. Can be standing up on both sides, or one don't fit laying down too much. So probably what I will do is on this one is stand it up. It's just made for bigger coolers, or stand it up and I still have plenty of space to add on regular food. Or I could just fill it up and put another one on the top, have plenty of ice. Very cool idea, I like it. Milwaukee 8-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. So it comes off this way and plugs in here for the bigger one. Slides back in here, beautiful. Comes out this way for Allen edge. It's really tight in there, so it won't just fly out by itself. And it's a pretty strong magnet, so ratcheting, nice, unscrew it, twist it this way, screw it on, unscrew it, that's good. And middle latchet, it will lock itself like a regular screwdriver. Very cool. There's a whole bunch of them. There's Allen wrench, Phillips head, star beads, more Allen wrenches, flatheads. Beautiful. And the pull is really strong. The magnet, so it will not stay on a screw. That's cool. Easy to replace it. Let's see what this headlamps is all about. Comes with the hookies. Beautiful. Ooh, nice. So there's a side light and there's a strip of LEDs. So there's first click bright, low. This flashlight high, low. Nice. And off. Charger is right here. Easily adjustable. Sweet. Which way? Like this. It's a bit too loose still, so definitely will fit most people. That's nice. Very comfortable. Maybe just a little bit more in the middle. Beautiful. Wow, this is cool. Okay, this is the brighter setting, low. I really like this one. Adjust it a little bit. Very cool. Very bright. Headlamp right here is the best because it's like a lantern. I see it all around wherever I look. Very nice. Camping light will look like this. Inside the tent. Okay. Oh, comes with a whole bunch of them. Okay, let's put it to the test just one. What kind of batteries we need? Okay, 1, 2, 3 AAAs. Plus minus, simple. Line it up. Okay, it's on. Ooh, it's really bright. Couple modes, there's 3 modes. Cool. Okay, let's go in the dark. I love it how it's easy to hang it in the tent or just walk it like a regular flashlight. In the complete darkness, wow, this is actually illuminates the whole room. This is nice. Wow, okay. Where's it at? A little bit darker. Camera. And the brightest. So the darker obviously will save the batteries. Camera like picks up this weird flickering. But this is probably the light I'll be using for the most part. This is nice.